You don't have to quit your full-time job to make extra money online. In this video, I will show you exactly how to build a side business that will generate up to $50,000 per year. So make sure you watch all through to the very end. Now let's dive right in. The first step is to master an in-demand skill. To build a $50K per year side business, the first step is to identify a skill that is highly sought after online. This is very crucial. This could be anything from digital marketing to web development, social media management, graphic designs, or even content creation. The key is to choose a skill that aligns with your interest and passion. Once you have identified your skill, commit to mastering it. This might involve taking online courses, practicing regularly, and building a strong portfolio for your work. Remember, the goal is to become a thought leader in your chosen field. Not necessarily to become the best, but to become a thought leader, somebody that people can listen to. So what is an example of an in-demand skill that you can learn today? Well, one of them that I'm practicing right now is no-code development. Anyone can do it, especially if you hate coding or programming, but still want to cash out in this particular field. Currently, there's little to no competition for this skill set. According to Zerocoder, the average salary for a no-code developer as of August 31st, 2023 is $100,000 per year. Platforms like Bubble, Wix, Webflow allow people to create web pages, create applications and systems without writing a single line of code. So if you can design a website, you can create an app, you can develop a software, a workflow, or tools with any of these platforms mentioned above, you would be in high demand and you can earn up to $50 per hour. That is a lot. Becoming a sought-after no-code developer isn't hard. This is exactly what you need. General IT knowledge. This could be anything from communication, problem solving. You could be knowing how to use Word and Google Docs and Google Spreadsheets, and any of those popular software products that we always use. As long as you can use them very well, you can excel as a no-code developer. And you also need specialized knowledge related to your chosen field. This could involve marketing, it could involve closing a deal or making presentation, negotiation, anything that can help you excel in this particular field with this skill set. You need to improve on those areas as well. So you need to understand how to use a particular no-code platform. So you could put all your effort to learn Figma, Webflow, Bubble, Wix. The list is just on and on. There are too many of them. You don't have to learn all of them at the same time. Just master one and it will become very easy for you to cash out in that particular field. So you also need a completed project in your portfolio to excel as a no-code developer. So if you don't have any client work yet, you can design your own app. You can design your own web page, your landing page, using any of these no-code platforms, and then you could use it as your portfolio. You also need a recognizable personal brand. So the best way to build a personal brand today is social media, and my favorite is YouTube. So starting a YouTube channel can really skyrocket your personal brand. As long as you're helping people, you're adding value in your videos, and you're really answering questions that people are asking. This will enable you to build your personal brand in just under a year. So let's move on to the second strategy for building a side income that could generate up to $50,000 per year, and that is to target businesses, not individuals. So when starting out, it might be easier to offer your services to individuals and your friends and colleagues. However, focusing on businesses is where the real money is. Let me tell you why. Businesses have larger budgets and are more likely to invest in services that can help them grow their sales, generate more leads, and overall build a stronger brand awareness. To target businesses effectively, you need to understand their pain points and how your skills can solve their problems. For instance, a social media manager can offer services to businesses struggling to increase their online presence on either Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. The good part is you can charge premium rates and build long-term relationships with clients because they have a budget and they are willing to work with you in the long term. Build a personal brand. I said that before, but I need to reiterate that because it's really crucial. This is why you are a one-person business, so personal branding is crucial than ever before in your business, even in your side business. So your brand is your reputation today. It is what sets you apart from the competition. To build a strong personal brand, you need to consistently create valuable content that showcases your expertise. YouTube offers a unique platform to connect with your target audience on a deeper level. If you really want a deeper connection, it is YouTube, not Instagram, not TikTok. So to begin, if you don't have a YouTube channel yet, you need to start one before you're even ready to launch out your side business. Video content is highly engaging and allows you to showcase your personality and connect with people at a deeper level. Creating a successful YouTube channel involves more than just uploading videos. It's about building a community. Start by defining your target audience and creating content that resonates with their interest. For example, your audience might be e-commerce business owners looking to redesign their online stores and to optimize it for conversions. In your videos, you need to share knowledge, share tips, strategies, how-to guides, and behind-the-scenes footage, and just information that can just help them improve whatever they are doing already to get closer to their bottom line. When it comes to succeeding on YouTube and building a personal brand, consistency is key, so you need to publish at least 1 to 2 engaging videos per week to keep your audience hooked and coming back for more. Interact with your viewers via comments and engage with them, respond to their questions. Building a loyal following takes time, but the effort and the investment is worth it. As your YouTube channel grows, you will attract attention from potential clients for either coaching calls, freelancing projects, and when you are monetized after hitting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months of your channel's existence, YouTube will start paying you for ad views. Businesses are increasingly looking for influencers and experts to partner with via sponsorship deals and collaborations. So you'll be making anywhere from $1,000 to $20,000 just from sponsorship deals. If you take this very seriously, that is why it's important to build your personal brand and really get out there to get the attention that you need. Trust me, building a side business that generates $50,000 per year or even 6 figures is actually doable even if you're doing it part-time. If you want to attract your first 20 clients, there's a video here. It's a free course. It lays down everything, the entire blueprint on how to start attracting clients as a side business owner.